can at least one action being performed properly by Terra team, or this is part of the past? I'm not so sure, because they are going from one problem to another. Terra confirms that some users received less Luna than expected from the airdrop and is working on a solution. Guys, welcome to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, the place where you can find out everything you want to know, everything you have to know about your favorite coin and about your favorite token. And speaking about favorite coins and tokens, I'm not so sure if Terra is your favorite coin, no matter if we're talking about the old version Terra Classic or Terra 2.0, so chart doesn't look really good. But when it comes to project like this is something that has never happened in the whole crypto history, so doing a TA is not something that can actually help us a lot. We'll take a look at, of course, chart. If you're a day trader, this could be actually quite useful, but let's see if this is a good solution long term or not. Personally, I'm not so bullish about Terra because everything that happened, we have some very interesting articles that you can find online. For example, venture capital firms reportedly cashed out in advance before Luna crashed before DPAC. So take a look at this. As reported by CNBC, Pantera Capital, the largest crypto hedge fund in the world by assets under management, said it made over 100x from its initial investment of 1.7 million in the project. What's really interesting that 87% of the investments were cashed out before January 2021 and April 2022. So what did these guys know that, let's see, ordinary holders didn't know? And that is something that basically makes us suspicious about everything. I mean, I'm pretty sure that the team is not behind this crash, but some whales and sharks are definitely. So is it a good thing to buy or not? What is going to happen with 2.0? Let's try to find out. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is completely up to you, and I encourage you to do your own research. So Terra 2.0 launches after Luna meltdown, but the reborn crypto is crashing again. So as you can see here, after reaching a peak of 19.53% dollars on Saturday, Luna dropped as $4.39 and it's now around price of $5.90 according to this article. Now situation is a little bit better. Actually, it's $7.27. So a lot of people who received airdrop, especially pre-DPEG holder, decided to sell because they did not trust the project anymore, and that is the most important indicator right now. People are not confident about Terra 2.0. It's still the same team. So of course the good thing is that we don't have a stable coin right now, because we have that crash because of the DPEG. I mean, the whole project with stablecoin was quite experimental, backed by algorithm, and once it failed, we saw what happened. Circulation, they basically circulating supply has increased in order to let's say to back that stablecoin, but we had a massive fail on both ends, and that is something that I personally don't like. So I have never been so confident about Terra. I personally don't like the project, but for day traders this is not so bad. So we can see some interesting patterns where basically after the dip you can go there, maybe do some leverage trading. I'm not a fan of that, but for some day trades it's not so bad. So I'm pretty sure that in the future we can see Terra Classic as a classic pump and dump coin. So big players can actually pump it, and then when they see the price goes higher, then dump it and simply take their profit. So let's try to play their game and go there and buy when it's low, sell when it's high. But for some long-term holding, it's not a good idea. Speaking about Terra Classic, when it comes to Terra 2.0, or now called Luna, what is going to happen? They have some great plans, but people are not so confident about the team, especially Doc One. So he's under some investigation. So it's maybe a little better to wait to see what is going to happen in the upcoming period. Maybe to gamble with $50 to $100, but I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research. So guys, let me know in the comment What do you think about Terra and Terra Classic? And until next video, please invest smart.